Hey Broduses, I'm doing a unboxing. I've never done this before, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing of something I've kind of been obsessing about. Ooh, Cosmic Ghost Rider. This is the Kotobukiya Cosmic Ghost Rider. And I need a pencil. I am super excited about this guy. Oh, man, there's a lot of tape on it. So, like, I knew of him, and I knew his origin story. It's the Punisher who basically dies, and Mephisto brings him back as the Ghost Rider, and then he does another deal and becomes Galactus's herald, and then tries to go against Thanos, and then is basically enslaved by Thanos. Oh, I love that smell. It's like a plasticky smell. Alright. By the way, may the 4th be with you. You know, I gotta keep it all on all aspects. So, you get a little collector card here. Little serial number. That's pretty sweet. We get our little accessories, which are here. Let me get this off delicately because it's protecting his little halos. I'm going to get all the this is a cord to charge him. I wonder if he has a charge on him still. These are his chains. Oh, woo! Blade. Oh, kind of hot. Ooh, a little hot there. Alrightis, alrightis. Get these out. My instinct is to kind of rip through, but as I've learned, both negative, mostly negative, you gotta be gentle because you can break the stuff. And last but not least, Frank Castle himself. Alright. This dude is mega sweet. Alright, so look at my man there. Now, let's snap him into place here so we get an arm on. Bazak. The other arm on. And that would go this way, I'm assuming. Ouch, these spikes. Those are freaking sharp. There we go. It's kind of tricky. You got to kind of get them in without touching the spikes because they freaking rip. And I love the little helmet. I think that's what gets me the most. Like, that's all cool in the gang, but with the helmet on, I don't know. It's just, yeah, it's that way. That just does it for me for some reason. And then we're going to drape a little chains around them. I might have to look at the box because I'm kind of that dude that has to do it the exact way it's meant, because I'm just that dude. You know, as a kid, I was never the kid who, like, oh yeah, I'll color the Hulk purple. Nope, it's his pants are purple and he's green. I can't do it the other way around because that's just wrong. So maybe we'll do that way for a while. So I don't see how you plug him in without But luckily for me, I have my laptop here for work. And let's just plug him in. I don't necessarily see an on button, but ooh, looky, looky, looky. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit here. That is pretty much boss. That is sweet. We're just gonna flip him around here. Get a better look at him there. That is rocking and rolling. That is nice. You can see some of the details. You can take off the helmet. That's nice. Super nice. I'm in love. Alright guys, thank you for watching my unboxing of Cosmic Ghost Rider. Till next time, whatever else I spend my stimulus check on, Gamma Boy 71. Stay healthy.